Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home by the help of your books and your notebooks. So students, as you all know, due to the prevailing conditions caused by the novel coronavirus, your online classes and physical classes are remain closed. So students, as you all know, this is the time of your summer vacation and you all have this SVHW sheet, okay, 2021 and 2022, okay. So SVHW means summer vacation homework, okay, and this is the summer vacation homework for class 2nd. So in this video I'm gonna explain you this sheet, this summer vacation homework sheet for 2021 and 2, okay. So students, firstly here instructions are given. So this instructions for guardian, listen to me carefully. Guardians are requested to help their child during the holidays to complete their following given SVHW means summer vacation homework sheet in a separate prescribed copy means practice copy of each subject. Put initial signature at the last page of SVHW means summer vacation homework sheet and copy, and at the last here a note is given. The SVHW response shall be counted in periodic assessment, okay. So here you have to complete this homework, okay. You have to complete all the summer vacations homework of all subject by the help of your guardian, okay. So your guardian will help you to complete these homeworks. So let's start explaining this, okay. So firstly here you can see here a given blank, you have to write your name, okay. You have to write your name over here, okay students, and then section, okay. You have to write your section over here and then roll number and then date, okay. You have to write date over here. Is that clear? And you can see these all homeworks are given by your subject teachers, okay. So here you can see in this sheet all the homeworks of your summer vacation are given one by one. So here you can see science and then social studies, okay. This is the summer vacation homework of social studies. So I'm going to explain you what you have to do. So here you can see you learning work, written work, activity work and project work, okay. 4 works are given for your summer vacation homework. So firstly let's see what are in learning work, okay. So you have to learn chapter 1st and chapter 2nd, okay. So what you have to learn in chapter 1st? You have to learn word meanings, question and answers, okay. Word meanings and question and answer you have to learn in chapter 1st. And what you have to learn in chapter 2nd? You have to learn again word meanings, question and answer and true and false, okay. Question answer, it means word meanings means the hard word of the particular chapter, okay. Is that clear? So you have to learn the hard word of the particular chapter, and then you have to learn the question answers and true and false, okay, which I had taught you in the online classes. So you have to learn them. And let's move on the written work, okay. So in the written work you have to again write from the chapter 1st and 2nd. So what you have to write from the chapter 1st? You have to write chapter 4 and 5. Okay, and from the chapter 2nd you have to complete the page number 10 and 11. Okay, so in the written work you have to complete the page number 4 and 5 in the chapter first, and in the chapter second you have to complete the page number 10 and 11. Okay, is that clear? So this is your written work. So on the page, so on the chapter first, page number 4 and 5, you have to firstly open the page number 4 and 5. Okay, and on the page number 4 you can see here the fill in the blanks are given, and then you can see on the page number 4 fill in the blanks and the true and false are given. You have to complete it from the page number 4, and from page number 5 you have to complete the choose the correct answer. Okay, so you have to complete the exercises of chapter first, which is given on the page number 4 and page number 5. Is that clear? And then in the chapter second you have to complete the exercises of chapter second, which is given on the page number 10 and 11. Okay, is that clear? And now move on to the activity work. Okay, so what is the activity work? So activity work is very important for the learning. Okay, so in the activity work you have to learn the sense organs name. Okay, so you have to learn the sense organs name in the activity work. Okay, and you have also learned their works. Okay, you have to learn the sense organs name and their work. And next is project work. Okay, next is project work. So what you have to do in project work, students? You have to paste the pictures of your favorite foods on chart paper and write their names. Okay, so you have to gather the pictures of your favorite foods and paste it on a chart paper and write their names. Okay, write the food's name that's your favorite foods, and you have to paste their pictures on a chart paper. Is that clear? So I hope you understood that what you have to do in the summer vacation homework. So first one is learning work. In this learning work you have to learn the word meanings and the question answer and the true and false. Okay, and the written work you have to complete the page number 4 and 5 of chapter first, and you have to complete the page number 10 and 11 of chapter second. Okay, and in the activity work you have to learn the sense organs names and their works, and in the project work you have to gather the picture of your favorite foods and you have to paste it on the chart paper and write their names. Is that clear? So I hope you understood. So now start completing your summer vacation homework. So bye bye students, take care of yourself, and see you in the next video